How does a microwave oven heat up food even though it emits no thermal radiation? Microwave ovens heat food using electromagnetic waves, specifically microwaves, which are a form of non-ionizing radiation. Unlike thermal radiation, which heats objects directly, microwaves excite water molecules in your food. When you press start, these waves bounce around inside the oven, causing water molecules to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, which cooks your food from the inside out. It's fascinating that the microwave can penetrate food without heating the container itself, thanks to the way different materials interact with microwaves. Metals reflect them, while glass and plastic let them pass through. So while it seems like magic, it's really just science at work, transforming energy into heat without any direct thermal radiation.